Please subscribe.
Cow. Cow has a bell. Bear. Bear has brown fur. Duck. Duck has an orange beak. Monkey. Look at Monkey's long tail. Kangaroo. Kangaroo has a pouch. Walk like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Bounce like a kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Swing like a monkey in a tree. Move like the animals that you see. Frog. Frog is green. Goat. Goat has horns. Horse. Horse has hooves. Pig. That's a pink pig. Elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. Trot, trot, trot. That's how a horsey runs. Hop, hop, hop. Bunnies are so much fun. Slop, slop, slop. That's how a piggy eats. Ducky swim and waddle. Lion. Lion has a fluffy mane. Penguin. Penguin has black and white feathers. Sheep. Sheep is white. Tiger. Tiger has stripes. Walk like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Bounce like a kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Swing like a monkey in a tree. Move like the animals that you see.
Please subscribe.